The Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Networking Service provides virtual versions of traditional network components you might already use. Let's look at a few basic points. VCNs. Start setting up your OCI presence by creating a virtual cloud network, or VCN, to host your cloud resources. A VCN resides in a single OCI region and comes with a route table that you can configure. Use VCN gateways to allow your cloud resources to receive internet requests, connect to other VCNs, or connect to an on-premises network. Use network security groups or security lists to allow or restrict traffic to your resources. Security groups can be applied to any selected resource in a VCN, while security lists are applied to all resources in a subnet. VCNs also come with a default security list that applies if a more specific subnet security list is not created. Subnets. Subnets are subdivided containers within a VCN. Resources hosted in a subnet use the same route table, security list, and DHCP options. Resources are hosted in a subnet as defined by the IP addresses assigned to them. The IP addresses are assigned from a subnet's CIDR or IPv6 prefix. For compute instances, the IP addresses are assigned to the attached virtual network interface cards, or VNICs. You can designate subnets as public or private when you create them. In a public subnet, resources are allowed to connect to other resources in your cloud or to the Internet. In a private subnet, resources are not allowed to connect to the Internet, but they can still connect to other resources in your cloud. VNICs. Every compute instance is automatically created with a fixed primary VNIC. You can also add one or more secondary VNICs to the instance. Secondary VNICs can be in the same VCN as the primary VNIC, in another subnet in the VCN, or even in a different VCN. A VNIC resides in a single subnet and allows a compute instance to connect to other resources in the subnet's VCN. Each VNIC has one primary private IP address, which doesn't change during the instance's lifetime. You can add and remove additional secondary private IP addresses, public IP addresses for IPv4, or IPv6 addresses. Start setting up VCNs and subnets to establish your Oracle Cloud Infrastructure presence today. For more information, visit networking at docs.oracle.com. Thanks for watching.